So today is going to be a 10-minute gentle flow, primarily for stress reduction. Come into a comfortable seated position, whether that is cross-legged or you can sit up on a chair, placing your feet straight onto the floor beneath you. Just allow yourself to stay there. Okay, let's begin with deep belly breathing. So we're going to stay here for about a couple of minutes, taking some deep, long inhales and gently exhaling out fully. Inhale once again and exhaling out. Paying close attention to your belly here. So inhale as you draw your belly out in front of you, and exhale, drawing that belly right in. Inhale once again, and exhaling fully. We're going to get 4 more like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale fully. Inhale once again. Exhale as you release. I invite you to soften your gaze or close your eyes right now. Inhale. Exhale, release. Continuing with that breath, I'm going to move into a gentle body scan. So allowing yourself to draw your attention to your sit bones, where you're sitting. Feel where it is that you're sitting. Are you sitting on a chair? Are you sitting on your mat? Just notice that groundedness coming from there. Gently moving to your hands. Are your palms over top of your knees or on your thighs? And just sense that weight of your hands on your body. Drawing your attention to your shoulders, softening your shoulders away from your ears onto your back. Now bring your attention up to your face, to your jaw. Relaxing your jaw, relaxing your forehead. Just inviting that sense of relaxation to all areas of your body. With every breath, bring your awareness to that air, the air coming into your nostrils. What does that feel like? Is it cool air? Is there a scent? Just notice as it enters your nostrils. And if your mind wanders at any time, gently return it back to your breathing throughout the next few minutes. From here, with your next exhale, going to move into a child's pose. So taking your knees out wide, untuck your toes and sink all the way back. Taking your arms out in front of you and gently bow down. Now, if this version of child's pose just doesn't quite feel good in your body today, feel free to draw your knees in towards each other. as if you're coming into a little cocoon. Stack your palms one over top of the other and place your forehead over top of them. Just creating a little bit of a safety net here. Moving into a bit of a cocoon. Letting yourself stay here. Once again, drawing your attention to your breathing. And exhaling fully. Keeping yourself in this moment. Continuing to breathe nice and slow. From here, coming into a cat-cow, so a tabletop position, moving as slow as you possibly can. We're not rushing here. Feel free to tuck your toes in. If you'd rather have them untucked, that's perfectly fine. And drawing your shoulders onto your back. Slowly moving into cow, so chest open, drawing your shoulders onto your back, belly drops down, tailbone up. With your next exhale, pressing your palms down, curving your upper back, tailbone points down. Inhale once again, moving into cow, nice and slow. Whatever your body wishes to do here, exhale, moving into cat. So if your body's kind of craving more circles in your spine, just feel free to do that. And exhaling fully. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, slowly coming back to center. Maybe taking your knees a little further back. And from here, we're going to thread the needle. So taking a nice deep long inhale, reaching your right arm all the way up above. And with your exhale, you're going to thread it through so that your right shoulder comes all the way down onto your mat. Inhale, reaching once again. So we're not doing static stretches. We're simply allowing for that fascia to move, creating a little bit of hydration coming into your body. Inhale as you reach. Exhale as you release back down. Inhale one more time, reaching up. Exhale, we're going to stay here. So taking that right shoulder down onto your mat, the right side of your head onto your mat. And from here, either keep your left palm as it is, or slowly begin to circle your arm back so that you put the back of your palm onto either your sacrum or, if you'd like, onto your upper back. Whatever feels good in your body right now. Just let yourself stay here. By placing your left palm on your back, you're creating a deeper sense of a twist. So you're getting even a little deeper into your upper body. One more deep, long inhale. Exhale, slowly coming back to center. Good. Now we're going to get that on the other side. I'm going to turn around, but you can stay as you are. So from here, deep, long inhale, left arm reaches all the way up above. Exhale as you thread it through. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale as you release. Inhale, last one. Exhale, we're going to stay here. Reaching that right arm towards the back and let yourself stay here for a few deep, long belly breaths. Creating that sense of a twist in your spine. And just see how it feels in your body. You always have the option of releasing your right palm and place it on your mat. On your next exhale, we're moving back to center. Good. Now coming all the way down to seated. And once again, if you find yourself on a chair, you can totally do this. So from here, drawing your shoulders down onto your back, placing your right palm alongside of you, deep long inhale, reaching your left arm up. And with your exhale, begin to gently walk that right palm even further towards the right, maybe touching the corner of your mat. And just allow yourself to stay here, creating a bit of a side bend, breathing into that left side of your body. Now, if you feel that your hand's just kind of dangling there, feel free to place it towards the back of your neck. Inhale back to center. And we'll do that once again on the same side, and exhale. Inhale, center. Let's get that on the opposite side. Exhale, right arm reaches and towards the left. Holding here and breathing into that right side of your body. Back to center. Inhale. We'll do that once again, same side. Exhale. And slowly release. We're going to finish in that child's pose. And simply moving into child's pose, whichever variation you wish to take. This time, I'm going to take my knees in together, taking my arms behind, so alongside of my body towards the back, and my forehead's going to come down onto my mat. And just let yourself sink here, so completely release any weight down onto your mat, and taking some deep breaths. Give yourself this space. Give yourself this time for yourself. There's nothing else around you, just simply you and your breathing. Now I invite you to stay here for however long you wish to stay. I invite you to have this practice in your back pocket whenever you feel that there's a bit of rush of stress that's coming at you for whatever it is that's going on in your life. Feel free to download the Yoga Nidra practice that I have for you. It's 20 minutes of deep breaths. You can find the link right down below.